Integrating MamoPay into your e-commerce platform can significantly streamline payments and enhance customer experience. MamoPay offers seamless payment processing that supports multiple channels, allowing customers to complete transactions efficiently, whether on desktop or mobile. For e-commerce businesses, this means higher conversion rates and fewer abandoned carts, translating directly into increased revenue. MamoPay integration starts with setting up your merchant account, which involves submitting your business details and verifying your account. Once approved, you gain access to MamoPay's API, which can be embedded directly into your checkout system. The API supports secure tokenization, ensuring sensitive card and bank information is protected during transactions. By implementing this, you provide customers with a trusted, frictionless payment experience. The integration allows you to accept a variety of payment methods, including debit and credit cards, mobile wallets, and bank transfers. MamoPay also offers recurring payment options, ideal for subscription-based e-commerce models. Reporting features are robust, giving real-time insights into sales, transaction histories, and payment trends. These analytics help businesses make informed decisions, optimize inventory, and manage cash flow more effectively. For developers, MamoPay provides detailed documentation and sample code snippets to simplify the integration process. Many platforms, including Shopify, WooCommerce, and Magento, can integrate with MamoPay through plugins, reducing the need for extensive coding. Payment confirmations are instantaneous, and automated reconciliation features minimize manual accounting work. Security remains a top priority, with MamoPay compliant with global PCI DSS standards. Fraud detection tools and encryption protocols protect both businesses and customers, maintaining trust and reliability. The integration cost is competitive, often saving businesses hundreds of dollars in transaction fees compared to traditional payment gateways. By choosing the best MamoPay integration for your e-commerce store, you ensure a smooth checkout experience, enhance customer satisfaction, and maximize revenue potential while maintaining strong security standards.